Welcome to the aptitude session. Today we are going to see the topic number series, and here in this section only I am going to introduce some new tricks, and these are the basic tricks most commonly used in number series. Okay, and the example for the number series we will see in the next video. Let's start. First, the concept of the new number series. The number series usually follow some logical patterns or rules. Those are really based on the elementary arithmetic concept which we have learned so long before. So we have to just need to recollect all the basic patterns which we have learned in our elementary classes. It's very easy to do when we start practicing day by day. So the number series usually be asked in certain types. The first type will be a number series is provided with one number that is out of place. You need to find that incorrect number. It means they will give a series of number and that in that there will be one odd number. It means there is one different which is not actually correct. So you need to find that incorrect number. This is a common type of number series. Every time is asked, usually they will ask. And the second one is a number series is given with one number missing. You have to figure out the missing number. This is a another common type. It will give a series of numbers, but some numbers, any one number, they will leave a space or question marks or x they will given. I will let them and they will let us to find what is a missing number. And the third one is a full series is given followed by an incomplete one. You need to complete the missing numbers in the same pattern as the full series. It means it's very rarely asked. When we are going for very difficult examinations, they will ask like this. See, they will give a series of numbers with one. Any incomplete one, they will like 4 or 5 dashes, they will leave incomplete. So you need to complete the series for the next 4 numbers or 5 numbers with the same pattern they followed in the first 4 or 5 numbers. These are the three types they most commonly ask. Now, we're going to see the different tricks we use in the number series. Type 1. The perfect square. See, in this example, you can see 324, 361, 400, 441. So what are the common things we can see from the given example? All these numbers are square numbers. 441 is a square of 21 and 400 is a square of 20 and 361 is a square of 19 and 324 is a square of 18. So all these numbers of squares 18 square, 19 square, 20 square and 21 square. So what will be the next one? 22 square. So this is the pattern of perfect squares. So they will give not the same one. They will give any square numbers in a pattern and they will ask you what is the next one. Now type 2. Perfect cube series. In the type 1 we have seen the square series. Now we are saying the cube series. That means 1 cube is 1, 2 cube is 8. We all know that, right? But they will give some complicated numbers. You have to find what is a cube number, what is a square number. You have to first find whether the given number is square number or cube number. You have to know that first. 512, 729,000. From this first easily we can see the 1000. So 1000 is a cube of 10. And then 729 is a cube of 9 and 512 is a cube of 8. So the given series is 8 cube, 9 cube, 10 cube. So what will come next? 11 cube, which is 1331. Now we have seen the type 1 and 2. Now moving to the third one. Type 3. Geometric series. Geometric series follows a pattern where each number is either multiplied or divided by the same fixed number to get the next term, and the sequence can either be increasing or decreasing. See, they were in the given question you can see 436 and 324 and 2916. We have to find how the first two numbers are linked. 4 cross 9 is 36, and then how the 36 and 324 are related. 36 cross 9 is again 324. In the same way, the 324 cross 9 is 2916. So what might be the next term? Again we have to multiply the last number with 9. So we will get the answer of this one. Okay. This is geometry. It may be multiplication or division. Here I have shown the example of multiplication. There may be a chance of division also. See, they will just like given the reverse order. If it is in the descending order, you have to think that the answer, the number is decreasing. So it might be either subtraction or division. Okay. Now type 4. This is another series, arithmetic series. Previous one we have seen division or multiplication, and arithmetic means addition or subtraction. Again they have given the number 4, 9, 14, 19, 24, 20. It's very easy. Arithmetic series are usually very easy to identify. We no need to put on more time on that. In this series the difference between each number is clearly 5. 4 plus 5 is 9, 9 plus 5 is 14, 14 plus 5 is 19, 19 plus 5 is 24, 24 plus 5 is 29, and then 29 plus 5 is 34. So what will be the next one? 34 plus 5. That is 39. This is the answer. So we have seen 4. What's the first one? Type 1 is perfect square, then perfect cube, then geometric series and arithmetic series. Now type 5. Fibonacci series. We all know about this. This is formed by adding or subtracting the same constant number. You can see the both numbers are same, the previous questions and this question. But sometimes in the arithmetic series the pattern will change. Look, in the type 4 that may be either plus 5, plus 6, plus 7. That each term they may be changed. But if the difference or the sum number is same, we will call it Fibonacci. Here the same we have seen in the last example, the same number 5. So the answer will be 39. Now type 6, two-stage type series. What is two-stage type series? In a two-step arithmetic series, the difference between the consecutive terms themselves follow a arithmetic sequence. See, here the example 1, 3, 6, 10, 15. What's the difference between the first two numbers? 1, 3. So 3 minus 1 is 2. It means the difference is 2 here. And then what is the difference between 3 and 6? The difference is 6. Again, what is the difference between 6 and 10? 4. Again, 10 and 15, it is 5. See, the number is increasing. 2, 3, 4, and then 5. So, the difference is changing here. It is not in the same. So, first thing is you have to look the difference. So, it is arithmetic series. That whenever the subtraction only comes, it is arithmetic. But is that the same number? No. So you have to think what is the next. It's a second step. That is the each difference number is adding. So first is subtracting, again is adding. It means it is a two-step arithmetic series. Okay. In the same way, we have to find the answer. What is the next answer? 15 is given here. So 15 minus 10 we found. Then what we have to find the next one? 2, 3, 4, 5 finished. So the next is 6. So 15 and 6 makes 21. Yes. When we subtract 21 and 15, we will get the 6 difference. The difference form a sequence of 2, 3, 4, 5. So the next will be 6. So the 15 plus 6 is 21. This is the two-stage type series. Now we are moving to the type 7, which is mixed series. This type of series involves multiple patterns combined within one sequence, or it may follow an unusual or less straightforward rule for generating the numbers. For example, the given number 5, 11, 23. First three numbers I am taking. How we get the 11 from the 5? 5 cross 2 is 10. Then add a 1, we will get 11. Same, 11 and 23. From this 11, how we will get 23? 11 plus 2 is 22. Again add 1, we will get 23. Then 23 comma 47. In the same way, we have to multiply by 2, we get 46. Then add the number 1, we will get the 47. So here what they are doing is, first they are doing a geometric series, that is multiplication of 2. Then again they are doing an arithmetic series also, that is adding a number 1. If you do a multiplication of 2 for 95, we will get 190. When we add 1 to it, we will get the answer 191. So this is a mixed series. See here they are using both multiplication and addition. That is mixed series. And this is type 8, difference series. A series where the difference between the consecutive terms follows a particular pattern. Here the number is given 1, 4, 9, 16, 25. You can see the number is actually increasing, but it's not increasing in the same number. So what makes 1 and 4? 1 plus 3 is 4. Again 4 plus 5 is 9. 9 plus 7 is 16. 16 plus 9 is 25. From this number what we can find? Is this a even number? No, this is an odd number. So the difference here is actually getting by adding an odd number, not an even number. So you have to find what's the next odd number? 11. So when we add 25 and 11, we'll get the answer of 36. So what's the answer for this? 36. That is difference series. These are the some of the common types we can expect in competitive exams in aptitudes, but there may be some other difficult terms also you have to understand deeply, like sometimes they will use 2 or 3 types in the same questions, and then you have to work out on more sums so that you will get a clear idea about it. Thank you. We will see in the next video with some more examples.